here with the Dean, Dr. Bandekar, myself, and the government of Goa, we are totally with the GARD Association. They have given us a list of several issues pertaining to the type of security that is required, doctor relationship officer. So one of the doctors will be identified in the next 2 days. Apart from that, त्यांचे security and जे CCTV सगळीकडे जे लागता आणि त्याच बरोबर जे कितें तांकां दिसता की जाय त्यांनी they have identified, GARD has already identified. I am going to be putting this, writing to them and giving them an official commitment that we will be putting this up to the Chief Minister and then also to the Cabinet for discussion, so that these issues which they are all basic issues, there nothing much is required here, but wherever they require, the lady doctor's safety is prime for the state of Goa. Me, not only as being a health minister, but also being a minister for women and child, it is important for us to see that women's safety is something that is utmost important to the government and priority of the government. हे हांव सगळे जे बरयला तांकां हांव कमिटमेंट रायटिंगान दिता, हॉस्टेल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॅसिलिटीज, आनी त्याच बरोबर जे त्यांनी सांगलेले आसा त्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी आमी इन रायटिंग तांकां हांव लेखीत आयज दितलो. आयज फुडल्या 2-3 वरां भितर लेटर तांकां पावतले, गार्डाक कॉपी डिनाक वयतले आनी हांव एक सेपरेट लेटर मुख्यमंत्रीक धाडटलो. पूण आमचे कडल्यान कमिटमेंट आहा की हे सगळे जे गार्डान रिक्वेस्ट केला हे आमी पूर्ण करतले.
We are the residents of Goa Medical College and Hospital. We stand here before as a part of the protest that we had organized for last 5 days in Goa Medical College, including the residents, the UG students, the interns, against the heinous crime that had happened in RGKR Medical College, Kolkata. We still stand against the injustice that has been done, the crime that has been done. But we are greatly encouraged on receiving the messages by respected Dean Sir of Goa Medical College, MS, and the HM of Goa, that the grievances would be addressed as fast as possible. And we await the execution with much anticipation and hope. And we have greatly deliberated upon this and discussed upon the strike that is going on. And in view of the goodwill of the people of Goa, we have hereby decided to call off the strike.